Hey everyone, it's Andy again with A&G's Paintless Dent Removal. Yesterday I posted a couple videos of a 3-foot crease dent. It ran all the way from the slider door down through the quarter panel of a green Caravan. I promised 100% repair on this. So let's check out this video and let's see how well this turned out.
So here's the end result, 100% like I promised. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. If you got some damage on your vehicle, make sure you give A&G's Paintless Dent Removal a call first.